Guess who's back in the Quickly Fit kitchen? You guessed it right. It's the nutrition magician. Joey Atlas back here. It's been a while, depending on where we're at in the timeline. But right now, here's what I'm doing. I would be doing this even if the camera was off. So I pulled out the Candid Cam, decided to turn it on because I need to share this. Because I am down to my last formula sample pack of the Brain Body Belly Elixir. Supplement number 1, fusion combo that I'm coming out with. I have the last sample pack. I've been taking, you can see I got a bunch here. There's some other ones I threw out already. I've been taking my final sample formulas for like the last 2 weeks. I feel incredible, amazing, sleeping well. I mean, the list goes on, which I'm going to get into on a deeper level in another video. And I'm going to write about it too. So actually, depending on where you're watching this, take a look above or below. Depending on where you're watching this, it might be YouTube, might be my blog, it might be somewhere else, might be in Total Access. You're going to see a link, or even right on the page, you're going to see the full description of what is in the final formula, or you're going to be able to click through to the website to see the full description and complete FAQ, another video maybe, etc. So be sure to check that out. Look for the links. Go after I'm done showing you what I'm doing here, because this is important. All right, I'm about to break my fast at 11:30 a.m. with the Brain Body Belly Elixir. That's been in the works for years, several years this has been in the works. And it took a long time because I had very high standards. It's a unique formulation. The formulators, the food scientists, the supplement scientists, I challenged them in making this because it had to be unique. It had to have the things that I believe are the most important for us, men and women, especially approaching middle age and beyond, to be in this all-in-one combo supplement, okay? I'm all about synergy. Synergy is very important. Again, I'm not going to describe everything that went into this. That's going to be either on this page or a link to the full info page, and where you might be able to buy your own depending on where we are in the timeline. And if we currently have any in stock, if we've already launched this. So here's what I'm doing. Part of what went into this you can see here, this is V.01, version 0.01. I've had version 3, version 0.02, after the original version of specific flavor profiles, all right? Version 02, which you can see there, is the one. That's the one, but I still have a version 0.01 left, which is what I'm having today. So I'm going to get into it. What went into part of what's special about this, and not all powder supplements allow you to do this. I specifically told my formulators, we have to be able to vary this flavor, this first flavor, to enjoy different variations of the flavor. All right, so this first one is a green apple delight. All right, but beyond the green apple delight, I'm going to give you a few of them now. There are others, I won't reveal them all. We have a honey crisp apple variation of this, which I'll show in another video how to make. We have an apple pie a la mode variation of this. And the one I'm showing you today is an apple cinnamon maple combo flavor that I'm going to be breaking my fast with. All right? So basically, Candid Cam is on. You're looking over my shoulder. We can mix this with anywhere from 6 to 10 or 12 ounces of water, depending on your level of thirst and how intense you want that apple delight flavor. But I'm going with 6 ounces of water. All right, we're opening one of my final sample packs of the Brain Body Belly Elixir. And again, if you're wondering why I'm saying Brain Body Belly Elixir, I'm going to explain everything that's in here, everything that has gone into this, and what it addresses, the benefits, etc., and the superiority over most other powder supplements. And guess what? This isn't just the greens. This is like 6 other things in addition to awesome greens that we should be getting in a synergistic way with our greens. Not by themselves, all separated out and making you go crazy all day, remembering to take all your different supplements at different times. No. Break the fast, or start your day if you're not a faster or a phantom faster with this. All right, you'll be able to get yours soon if you can't get it right now, provided that we have not sold out of the current production run. All right, so we're going to set this aside. We're going to go. I already have scooped my cinnamon from Costco, organic cinnamon. I'm putting about just under 1/4 teaspoon. Might be 1/8 teaspoon, or maybe just more than 1/8 teaspoon of our organic cinnamon going in there. Next, we're going to use our organic maple syrup from Trader Joe's. This is such good stuff. But here's what we're doing. We don't need a lot. We don't need a lot. It's the synergy of the combo that brings out all the flavor. So we're just going with a teaspoon of the maple, pure maple syrup. 1 teaspoon going in with the brain, body, belly, elixir, fruits, roots, veggies, and a few other top secret ingredients that you're going to be able to learn about either at the link above or below this video, depending on where you're watching this. All right, now we get to mix it up, and I'm going to enjoy this. And this is such a perfect way to either start your day in the morning or break your fast if you're on like one of our intermittent fasting lifestyles or phantom fasting lifestyle, which is something we do with a lot of our private coaching clients. And if you're a private coaching client, you most likely know what I mean, because maybe 8 out of every 10 private coaching clients are doing some type of fasting that we teach them, help them modify if they were doing it already, help them improve it, enhance it. But that's a story for another day. So I live a fasting lifestyle. I don't break my fast until 11:30, 12, sometimes even 1 or 1:30 if the morning is really, really busy. And I get into something midday. Before I know it, it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock, and I'm ready to break my fast. And I do it with the brain, body, belly elixir. That's first, and then the other stuff comes after that. All right, this is ready to go. Oh, yum. Flavor and taste and going into the formulation of this was very, very important. I even had my older daughter try this, and she knows what she's talking about. She's tried other just greens. She's very intrigued by what I'm putting together here, of course. She was here the other day. I made her another flavor combo. She was like, "This is awesome. This is really good. I will throw out my other one and get this when it comes out." Of course she's gonna get it. I'm her daddy. I'm gonna be supplying the kids with this stuff, because teens, people in the 20s also should be taking this. Not just us middle-agers and beyond, but this is a full spectrum supplement for all ages, really. And again, all the details are going to be above or below at the link that takes you there, where you can see everything. I probably have another video there, but this is so good. Delicious. Yum. All right, so I'm going to savor this. I'm going to sip it while I get back to work. And if you have any questions or comments or thoughts, you want to share your excitement, what have you, you'll be able to post somewhere. And if not, below or above here, come follow through to the page. There should be a place where you can ask us questions, or you just order your own, get it, and then we go from there, okay? So that's it. That's your brain, body, belly elixir. I'm sharing this last sample pack with you. Depending on when you're watching this, you might be able to get yours now, or it might be, if this is in real time, you might be able to get on the waiting list to place your order for the first official production run in the launch phase of the Living Strength Nutritionals line. This being the first product of the line. There will be more, but this is the first. Took us a while to get here, and it has begun. Peace. Much love.